Aerosol paint is one of the most difficult substances to remove. It has molecules that are very close together and has high adhesion and also high coherence. Once applied, it immediately penetrates the surface and it is very difficult to remove it. There are those who use solvent for acrylic to remove this type of paint. The problem is that the solvent for acrylic acts as a thinner.
It will carry the paint back and forth. Luis Perez, a chemical engineer, developed a detergent capable of breaking immediately with the molecules of the aerosol paint. The substance must be applied in the first 48 hours. It is an anti-graffiti, with great tensioactive power. The image shows how a drop of this detergent separates the molecules of the spray paint and on this truck removes the stain without taking the paint from the vehicle. The image shows how a drop of this detergent separates the molecules of the spray paint and on this truck removes the stain without taking the paint from the vehicle.
This surfactant substance has the property of directly attacking the stain and removing its adherence and coherence. As in the case of paint, the preparation of this detergent took 4 years, and it can also have applications for laundry, kitchen, cleaning of mechanical workshops, including carpets and clothing. A 100% Mexican invention. Roberto Andrade in the images, Edgar Galicia, Aztec News Force.